This podcast is brought to you by JuiceComedyToronto.com. Also, check them out on Instagram at JuiceComedyTO. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut Entertainment Report podcast. And tonight, we have a real special guest in the building because we're actually recording tonight from the Africa versus West Indies comedy clash tonight right here in the Queen Elizabeth Theatre. The first guest we have for the night is A.D.E. A.D.E. stands for Africans Do Everything.
Yes, sir.
All right. Welcome to the podcast. How are you doing, sir?
Thank you very much for having me. It's a beautiful area in this Canada, and I'm loving it. I'm glad there's no snow because I brought all my jacket and my boots to come here, but I didn't really see no snow.
Yeah. But you're coming from way of the UK. Doesn't England get a lot of snow and stuff like that also?
We don't really see snow on our side of the things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's more or less but a lot of rain and stuff like that.
Yeah, we got a lot of rainy weathers.
Okay, it's all good. When we say Africans do everything, all right?
Yes.
Exactly what is everything?
Africa is the beginning of everything.
Okay.
You know, like for example, Adam and Eve.
Yes.
Before they created them, they're originally from Nigeria.
Okay.
You understand? Their name is not Adam and Eve. It's
What?
Adamu and Evelyn. So they just shorten it.
Okay. Okay. Learn something new on the podcast here. All right.
So yeah. And also if you look now, Africans do everything and everywhere, you know, and we're trying to make better of ourselves, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. What are your top 3 things that Africans do that you like to do?
African people like to have fun.
Yeah.
They like to have
sure.
party. They like to make some money together.
Yeah, makes sense. Definitely makes sense.
And we get along with different cultures.
Yeah.
So that's my 3 things that most Africans
makes sense. What part of Africa are you representing?
I'm originally from Nigeria.
From Nigeria?
Yes.
All right, so then I guess I could ask you, who has a better jollof rice? Nigeria or Ghana?
They always have that competition.
Yeah.
But Nigeria makes better jollof, but Sierra Leone make the best jollof.
Okay.
Yes, Sierra Leone. Yeah, they're the winner of jollof. So
at least
we as Nigerians and Ghana, we can't claim it as our thing, but Nigerians make better tasting jollof.
All right, fair enough. Fair enough. And how was, because this is your first time in Toronto?
Yes.
To actually perform as a comedian, all right? How was your first time here? Because I heard the crowd dying. We were down here and we heard the crowd dying.
I was happy that they were dying because I was thinking they wouldn't understand me because I'm from UK obviously, but I guess the African accent was kicking and people were just loving it. So it's a good welcome and I loved it. They're a good crowd. They love comedy.
They were engaging and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah. Because I know you've also been on the UK version of the Africa versus West Indies comedy clash. Yeah. But disclaimer, Toronto, we put it on first. And then UK after.
I don't know how it begins. I just want.
You just know that.
They just said African. You want an African comedian to come and battle? Okay, I'm there.
You were good. Yeah, that was actual. We actually put it on first here. All right.
Okay.
What did you find was the biggest difference in the crowd with the UK crowd versus the Toronto Canadian crowd?
There's none.
None.
No, they were laughing the same.
Yeah.
It's the same reaction that I get in the UK that I got here today. So yeah.
And how long have you been performing now?
Well, I started doing comedy 9 years ago, and
9 years.
Yeah, and it wasn't something that I wanted to do because I was doing media before.
Okay.
But when I finished university, a lot of my classmates used to tell me that I'm funny.
Yeah.
So and I said, why don't you go and try comedy?
Yeah.
And that's why I'm here in Toronto since I stuck to it.
Just like that.
Yeah, just like that.
All right. Is this something you do full time, part time, or what's the deal with that now?
Well, right now the industry in the UK is a bit. I don't know the word to use. It's like they're still trying to see who they need to bring up. So it's tight. So I would love to do it full time if it's taking me places.
Okay.
Like Toronto now, I'm here. So if it's taking me places full time, let's go.
Yeah. And wow, that's amazing. Over your 9-year career, what's been the highlight of your career so far?
Why? When I did Shepherd Bush 002 Empire. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was the crowd, the way the crowd roar and everything, and it was the best highlight for me.
Yeah.
And a lot of people have been booking me for African versus Caribbean comedy. Now they're not even booking me for normal comedy shows.
Yeah. Because I guess you're good at what you do.
I love Jamaicans, so I have to come and stand for my African people, but I love my Caribbean people.
I hear you.
Yeah.
And what's been the most memorable moment for 2019 for you so far?
My child being born.
Okay.
Yes.
Congratulations. When was that?
That was September. She's gonna be 3 months tomorrow.
Okay. Congratulations. Shout out. Wow. And anybody want to find you or follow you on social media, where could they find you and check out more of your content?
Yes, that's Africans Do Everything.
Yeah.
All social media.
Yeah.
That's Africans with the S.
Yeah.
Do Everything.
Yeah.
You can find my face, my
Yeah.
fine face over there. And I am looking for a green card. So
Yeah.
just
But hold on. Hold on. I gotta warn you. We're in Canada. We have citizenship. You want a green card, you gotta go to US.
Oh, okay. So all right. I want citizenship.
So you just want something. Anything. A.D.E, thank you so very much. Can't
Yes,
wait
man.
to see you back in Toronto again, because as I said, the crowd sound like they were dying.
I know.
You know what I mean?
I would love to perform back. I'm coming back.
Definitely.
You see me again.
All right, we'll follow you on social media. Check out all your stuff. Any last words before you get out of here?
Yes,
Tell them.
Toronto. Your country is beautiful. I swear down. The way I was coming, I was thought I won't see anybody, but as I can see the crowd, they are beautiful. So please invite me next time. And please have a good 2020. This year has been a bit tough. We might not show it, but yes, 2020 is gonna be about happiness. So do you believe in your dreams? Because I didn't know comedy is gonna bring me to Toronto. So here I am. So if you stick to it, it will get you places. That's my message to you guys.
Amazing. Again, big up A.D.E.
Yes,
We're
sir.
going to take in the rest of the show, Africa versus West Indies 2019. All right, look out for some more.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Thank you. Great energy.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.